This System 27, our project is an IoT-based pet feeding system. The point of our project is to help families feed their pets when the owner is not home for some personal reason. The project proposes a pet feeding system, which is a really promising solution aimed at changing the way pets are fed. The system is clearly designed with a food storage and distribution mechanism that operates on a predetermined schedule and distributes a specific amount of the food to ensure that pets get the right amount of food at the right time. This is the selection process of our project concept. We divided the project into 5 criteria, and each criteria has 3 options, which are the weights and scores. Finally, we choose option 2 as the main body. Using option 2, the connection between the device and the mobile phone is more stable, and the function is easier to realize. Compared to the original concept, we added a motor to drive the switch of the football to avoid accidental eating when there are multiple pens in the house. This is a block diagram of the project. We connect the phone to the device and select the feeding mode, and we offer 3 feeding modes. The first one is the direct feeding. The motor works immediately after the weight is set by the application. When the winning module reaches a set weight, the motor shuts down and the feeding ends. This mode is suitable for the owner at home to avoid manual feeding. It is inaccurate or food contamination. The second one is timed feeding. Through the application to set the feeding time and the feeding and food weight. After reaching the set time, the motor starts to feed. After reaching the required weight, the motor shuts down and the feeding ends. This mode is suitable for owners who are away from home for a long time and can feed their pets remotely. The third one is to identify feeding. After the food weight required by different pets is set through the application, feeding starts when the feeding time is reached, and the corresponding pet is detected by the camera, and the feeding stops when the required weight is reached. This mode is suitable for homes with multiple pens that need to be fed. And we added other motor to control the football hinge to prevent the other pens from accidentally feeding it. Firstly, in the direct feeding, I set the weight on the application, and the motor works to indicate the start of the feeding. I press the winning module with my finger to indicate the food weight. And when the OLED screen shows the set weight, the motor turns off and the feeding ends. Then, in second mode, I set the feeding time and the food weight on the application. The time is also displayed on the OLED screen. When the set time is reached, the motor works, and when the set weight is reached, the motor stops. In the final identification feed, we set the pens to be fed like bird and the weight required. When the bird passes through the infrared module and it is identified by the camera, the motor starts to work, and the motor stops when it reaches the set weight. If another pen passes at this time, another motor starts to close the football, which will prevent another pen from eating it. When the corresponding pen has been identified again, the motor will reverse to open the football again.